Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video I've got two bits of good news for you. First bit of good news is we are now in a garage, so no more having to do the build out on the driveway and being in the rain and the wind. And the second bit of good news is I'm going to be fitting the wide arch Pandem kit on the E46 in this video. Some of you might know it as the Liberty Walk kit or the Rocket Bunny kit. To me, they all look pretty much the same. I'm not too sure if there's much difference. So I'm going to be showing you how to fit this on all the way around the car. Some part of the video you will see it being fitted in the garage, and some you won't, because I actually started fitting the kit already before moving into the garage. So please bear with me on that one. So what I'm going to do is just get on with fitting the kit. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button to help support the channel, and also share it with all your friends. Yeah, let's get on with fitting the kit. So everyone, this is the kit itself. It's a fiberglass kit that I got from eBay. They called it a Pandem style kit, so it's not a genuine kit, but it is based on that style. And you can see this is one of the reasons why I facelifted it in one of my previous videos, to get this facelift kit, because you don't see a lot of them really. You see more of the pre-facelift, what's been done. So this kit here I've ordered separately to fit the kit. So these are called well nuts. As you can see, it's a little rubber with a nut inside of it. And what it does is, when you put that through the hole and you screw it, put a screw through it, it will expand inside the hole to stop it from coming out. And then these, let me get one of these out. These are just really nice decorative washers for the outside, and decorative 6mm M6 screws. I'm going to start fitting this now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, please like and subscribe, and let's get this started. Just wanted to point out, guys, when I pulled the side skirt off, these are the little pop-out clips. So usually when you put a new side skirt on, it would push into these and keep it nice and flush with the bodywork. But on the Pandem kit, there isn't anything. So this rail here is what clips in to these. But this hasn't got it. So I'm really not too sure. We might have to put some sort of really strong double-sided tape, you know, the sort of tape that you get for the number plates to stick on, to get that to sit nice and flush. But let's try and get it on just and see how it looks. I'm going to get my angle grinder and cut this bit off here, and I'm going to cut off this bit on the front arch, because it's just not fitting on this. This is a completely different shape, and try and make it as neat as possible and then sand it down so it's nice and neat. Right, so now all that's all done, I believe I've got it all lined up in the correct place. And just a word of advice, you want to get this as close to the headlight as possible, not a little bit away or anything like that, which I thought it was at first, because when this is up to the headlight, there's a lot to cut out from the front. When I've looked on the internet for E46s that had this done already, they do have that done, so I believe it's in the correct place. So I'm going to start drilling some holes now. So first of all, I need a 6mm drill bit to drill through this and the wing underneath, and then take this back off, and then a 13mm needs to go through just the wing to then put the well nuts in, and then get this bolted on, and then after that's done, we'll crack on with the back. So now I've drilled all these holes in 13mm well nuts, and I've also sanded it as well to just make sure when you put these in, when you tighten them up, don't over tighten them so it turns it, because that will cut through it. Put these all in and then put the new arch on. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to achieve a nice look here from this bumper into the panel here. So I need to slide this back a bit, which will help out as well because of the fuel filler cap. It's very, very close to that edge. So if I can push that back, that'd be great. But the problem is, I've got is just this lip here. So what I'm going to do is just quickly grind this off here, and hopefully I can push that back, and then we'll get a nice line on that. Right guys, just to give you a quick update, I've got everything taped in now, as you can see, and it seems to be sitting pretty well now. So the things that I've had to try and line up is this bit here, and I think that could probably go down a bit more, because what I'm trying to do as well is line up this line here with the bodywork, and then this one here needs to line up, so I can see that needs to come down a little bit. But what I've got here, so I've just grounded this bit out here to get this there, but then I've got to try and line up this line, as you can see, which isn't too bad at the moment, but then you can see this line here, and this is sitting a bit low. So what I'm going to do is bolt in the bumper first, because that is in the correct place, and then lift it all up, and then it will hopefully sit a bit nicer at the top there, like that. And then bolt this one in here, and then go round. Then as it's getting stronger and stronger into the body, I'm going to try and pull this one down a little bit so that it's perfectly in line, or as good as in line as possible. And then this line should line up better as well. And then I can take all the tape off and it'll look a lot better. Guys, so unfortunately the wind picked up and it blew over the camera, and it actually broke the stand what the camera sits on. So I'm just using the selfie stick now to show you what the body kit looks like. I still need to fit on the other side. I'm just going to show you how much wider everything looks, so you can see how much wider that is coming out. So a few little issues with these bolts here. I did intend to put these washers everywhere, but in some areas they just don't fit. So here, for example, it's a lot smaller, so it would look better with that to be there rather than the big washer. And some of these just aren't a big enough sort of profile, so it's not sitting correctly. There's a few little fitment issues like this, for example. So what I'm going to do is underneath, push that under a bit more, and then get some self-tapping screws in there, and the same on the front there. But overall it fits pretty good and it looks pretty nice. Right guys, so as I've already mentioned, I've already started recording fitting the other side out of my driveway, And then this side is going to be in the garage, so bear with me on the video. I don't know where I'm going to be editing it just yet. But what I've done on the other side is line up this as best as I can with the headlight. Right, so this is a bit better to show you guys. So you see this body line, what runs down the whole car. There's also a line on the arch. So I just lined that up as best as I can, right? And then that should also line up with this bit here, which you can see does. And then you've got another line down here, which you want to try and line up as well. And then once you've lined up all those sections, you are pretty much good to go. Right guys, so that's the kit now fitted on both sides. So as you can see, everything is all bolted in and it is now a lot wider. When we do all the prep and everything, just before it gets wrapped, we will go over everything to make it fit more perfect. So I'm just doing a walk round quickly because there's not enough space to sort of do a wide angle lens shot. So just trying to get it all in for you, but it's all done now, it's all fitting round. Again, everywhere just needs to have a tweak here and there to get it to fit as perfect as possible. Thanks very much for watching the video, guys. The next video, it will be of us cutting out the arches on the front and the back. After that, it will be fitting the suspension, doing some more body work on the front and rear bumper, and getting it finished, and then prepping it for a wrap. Which we're going to attempt to do ourselves in this garage. So that will be a good one to watch. So again, sorry I keep asking, but it's just to remind you guys to subscribe, because when you subscribe, it really does help out the support for the channel, and it gives us more motivation to do it as well. So make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram as well to see photos before the videos come up of the car and the projects. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks again.